Hey guys, today I'm with here, Nimzay, my little friend. Hey,
Hi.
yay! And we're gonna talk about the anime of the two little wolves puppies. I don't know what it calls, but the two
Wolf
little
children.
kids, the two little children wolves. The anime is so sad. Like, oh my
Their
god.
parents died when she's 5, and if I'm not wrong, her brother's like 2.
Like why his brother left, I don't know. That's so freaking bad. The brother just left her, and the mother has a problem, and that's so damn sad.
Yes, it is.
Like you just like oh my god, I love the anime from beginning because they're so damn cute and
Yes.
adorable.
Anime is cute, but that movie is just like, you see it, you get to the part when their parents die and her husband is like, this is too sad, I can't watch it anymore, but like, you want to watch it even more to see what happens.
But it's damn cute still. It's damn
Yes.
cute.
I'm gonna ask you a question. What is your favorite part in that movie?
My favorite part is when they like run into the snow to the jungle with the mother in the snow. Like that part, like
Oh,
they're
them
running with the
running through
mother in
the
the snow. That's
them
so
running
damn
through the
cute.
forest covered in winter, and if I'm not wrong, her brother falls into the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite part. I just love that part.
It's like they're jumping and running. They're so damn
Yeah,
cute in the snow and the little glitter about them. It's so cute.
if you look into my room, my whole room is filled with stuffed wolf animals. All I have is wolf stuffed animals. That's all I have in my room.
The only thing that I draw is the wolves. If you not know this, like I can send you later or show you later. But the only things that I draw is wolves. Sorry, I don't draw cats or nothing. The only things that I draw is wolves.
Okay. Of anime series, which one's your favorite?
Sailor Moon.
I haven't seen it, but I saw the first episode, and it's like watching heaven, literally.
Yo, yes, but she's very stupid. She's very stupid, very
Oh,
sleepy, and
speaking of
very little kid.
heaven, that reminds me of Ladybug in Cat Noir. When she goes back in time and forward again in the whole mess. Oh, I
Woman.
Okay, this time I choked on ice. Okay. Well, that reminds me of, I think it's Timebreaker, the name of the episode. And I like that episode when he's like, 2 ladybugs, I must be in heaven.
I love Ladybug, but they're still stupid because who's the only girl with blue hair and blue and red bows? Marinette. Who's the only guy with ruby hair? Adrian, and they
Yeah,
just
it
enter the
just doesn't
school
make
and don't
sense.
know this.
Who's the only whole guy in the whole school? Okay, I can get 1 or 2 things why they still haven't figured out who they are yet, but
But this year's
well,
too stupid
because when Cat Noir is Adrian, his hair is like fixed up, and when he's Cat Noir, it's all messed up, like
yeah.
poof. Her hair is always the same, but when she's Marinette, she's shy. She doesn't express herself too well when she's around. She's like, ah, 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 ah.
Because she's another person, she expresses like another way.
On the other hand, Adrian, well, he doesn't have a lot of freedom. So when he transforms into Cat Noir,
That's like
he does
Henry
whatever he
Hannon.
wants, technically.
Yeah, but I love another anime there. I don't know if you have seen it. It's a little girl. It's like it's a whole nation of humans, and they're like humans with little fluffy teeny ears, and a tail just like a horse. And there are transporters, like using those horse running en que le ponen unos números y corren alrededor y el que gane gana el premio.
Yeah.
Well, esas personas, y todas son nenas, they have to run in that. Like literally, they're very fast. That's why if you see a person like with those ears and the little horsetail, they're freaking running like hell. Like run a lot. I have seen
Well,
that anime. It's really damn cool. Especially for me, I love it.
I don't remember if I told you. I don't remember if I gave you the paper. I remember that I told you about the girl who was engaged to her brother, supposedly her brother, but she's engaged to him. Blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't remember if I gave you the name of that.
No, you didn't.
What?
You didn't.
I didn't?
No.
Okay, write it down so you remember.
Nah, I have a lot of animals to see, so it's not gonna.
So do I. I watched that with my stepmother. Actually, I didn't want to watch it, but
I don't see like anime a lot. I just see like one video, one anime, and that's it. Like kind of waste my time animes. Like I seen like little few or anime musics before, but don't know more. I don't
well,
see
if I
anime.
go live with my parents are gonna give me a new number, a new phone. My dad, I'm gonna be sure that when I get the number, I'll call you
You
from
better.
this one, and I tell you, hey, this is my new phone number, blah 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 blah. Give you the number, then you call me. I'm like, okay.
What YouTuber you like most?
Well, actually, I don't know. My dad told me if I move over there with him, which I hope I don't move over with him, but he tells me that if I do, well, he's gonna give me a new tablet and a new phone. So I'm gonna get my new phone's gonna be a different phone number. So if I leave, I'm gonna call you from this one and tell you my new phone number so you know which one's my phone. If
Can
I
I
leave.
tell you something? Do not fall in that trap, because your dad is only telling you like, come, I have candy, but I have candy only for one moment, and you're just going to tolerate all your life.
Yeah,
Like
my
you
dad.
better stay with your grandparents.
If I leave,
than
but I actually don't believe him because he's been telling me for 3 years that I'm gonna leave Puerto Rico and go live with him, and 3 years the same thing, haven't left. So I don't believe him that much. I'll believe it when the judge says it.
Like you better stay alone, please, woman. You better stay with your grandparents.
When the judge tells me I'm leaving, then I'm gonna believe it.
No, you just bring me like that. Yeah.
And I don't want to leave.
You have
Living with my dad for 3 years was a torture. Imagine until I'm 20. and my sweet 16 is gonna be a horror. Why? Because my dad already planned my sweet 16 and my sweet 15. And Dad. Okay, I can live with the party wearing of my sweet 16, but never my sweet 15.
My sweet 16s, they're going to be like, it's going to be a simple party in my family.
My
like
dad
always
for my
been.
sweet 15, he's gonna do what all Puerto Ricans do, the stupid dance with your stupid daughter, her father changing her the stupid shoe into a heel. I am not participating on that. Let him do that to his younger daughter, but I am not participating on that.
I'm just going like always, like a simple cake, a simple happy birthday
He already
and
told
then
me what my
going to
sweet
a
16's
trip.
gonna be like. For my sweet 16, I'm gonna have I'm gonna go on when I turn 16. My dad's gonna let me go party. My best friend, I have one of my best friends move over there to Florida, and she studies in the same school I'm going to if I move. So she planned already for my sweet 16 that I'm gonna have a pajama party at her house.
You better invite me.
Oh, and like I'm gonna get my driver's license when I'm 16. My dad's gonna let me go to the movies until 9 o'clock.
You better invite me. I will hit you with the chancla.
Yes, I will invite you. And my dad never lets me. My dad's mean. Anyways, I'm gonna be getting a sweet 15 and a sweet 16 for my grandparents. So I'm about to do my grandparents' house. Oh, I will. My grandparents are more flexible than my dad. My dad is it's a rock. Do you know how hard it's to mold a rock into what you want to? You have to carve it.
Yeah.
My grandparents are like clay. Just mold it to whatever you want.
Seriously?
You get the metaphor, right?
Yeah.
My dad's flexibility is like a rock, and my grandparents are like clay or slime. Easy to bend.
I didn't like slime.
Well, I was watching tutorials on how to do slime, but my brother took the tablet away from me, and I did it with half of the video. That did not
Glue,
go.
Barbasol, and game. But let me do the instruction. Ok, coge un pote de pega completo y lo pone en un envase. Ok, un pote entero de Barbasol se lo echa entero. Enterito para que te quede suave y bien hecho. Y después le echa una cucharita de game y lo vas mezclando hasta que quede de la forma correcta. Si necesitas más le vas echando y lo vas cogiendo con la mano, no lo cojas con la cuchara porque si no no lo vas a poner en una buena textura. Primero cuando lo cojas va a salir como que baboso, pero si lo sigues moviendo va a salir bien.
Because it has game, so it's going to be like sticky and slimy.
No, but then it's going to be so smooth.
Oh
my god.
Well, I'm gonna prank Daddy with the chocolate. Oh, or maybe I'm gonna prank her with some gummy bears. Oh, and not gummy bears. You know those gummies covered in sugar? Those round gummies that are covered in sugar. Yeah, they usually come sliced like an orange.
I didn't know.
Okay, well, I saw some round ones. I think I have them here. And I'm going to prank Daddy with that or chocolate. I still don't decide.
Yeah, I prefer chocolate.
But I'm going to prank her with something eventually. So, let's see what I prank her with. Because my grandmother or my great grandmother, I think it was my great grandmother, mi bisabuela.
Yeah.
She bought me like a spa. It's make your own makeup, make your own hand lotion, and make your own soap. So, she gave it to me, and I'm gonna use the ones to make your own lip balm. I'm gonna take it like I haven't used it. I'm gonna use it to trick Daddy. Yay! tricking her is gonna be great. Because I love tricking Daddy because I call her, she's like doesn't answer. I'm like, come on, Daddy,
She like tell
answer
you like
me. It's
call
the
me,
fifth,
and
sixth
then
time
she's
I call
never
you, so
answer.
answer.
Like you get so mad.
Yes, I get like mad. I'm like, why doesn't nobody answer to me today? Let me try my cousins. They're always at home. Oh no, that fell.
Don't ask
Okay,
me.
gotcha.
Well,
like they're always at home. I call them, but they don't answer either. So.
Please, I will ask you, who's your favorite My Little Pony? Like, who's your favorite pony?
Technically, I call everybody. I call my neighbors, and they don't answer. I call everybody, and nobody answers.
Nimzay, who's your favorite pony?
Pony from My Little Pony?
Yeah.
Let's see, Fluttershy or Rarity?
Mine is Pinkie Pie and the white pony with the blue hair.
Which one?
The one who do music with the big glasses.
Yeah.
I forgot her name. Oh my god.
I'm telling you,
The white pony with the music.
Yeah, I know. He's a DJ in My Little Pony.
I love him too.
And his sister plays the violin.
Yeah. But she's a girl. If you not know, sorry.
Yeah, I know.
He's not a boy. He's a girl.
Yeah, everyone thinks he's a boy because his hair is like.
No, but he's
okay,
not.
I know that Rainbow Dash's hair looks like a boy, but you can tell from the eyelashes that she's a girl.
The 6 ponies are all girls. Like, come on, they're all girls.
Most of them, yeah. Although I love Twilight's brother, Shining Armor. Oh, he's awesome.
Why?
I don't know why. I just like his magic.
I don't like his magic. I don't like nothing.
But I also love his wife. Oh, Cadence and Flurry. And that can't forget Shining Armor. Flurry is literally 1-3.
I like you remember oh my god, how they say it?
Let's say it like this. Once in a blue moon, a baby alicorn with wings, already with wings, is born. Like, that's rare when that happens.
And Twilight too, a little dance. Like, oh my god, I forget how they start.
It's rare that an alicorn is born alicorn. They're usually born unicorn, and then
Princess Celestia, Princess Luna, Princess Cadence, and the baby.
Cadence was not born with wings.
They were born with wings. The only one that he no nació con alas fue Twilight. Sorry.
Are you listening to me? Cadence was not born with wings.
Yes, she was.
Are you? Never mind.
And when she was dying, like, you have seen the whole story of Cadence when Twilight was little. Cadence already have wings, and she was little.
Once she entered her cutie mark, but before that she didn't have wings.
Oh.
When she earned her cutie mark, helping, I don't remember who. I think it was a few months, a few days later, she got her wings. But before that, she was like Twilight, a normal alicorn. So it's kind of difficult, and it takes a long time for a baby, born an alicorn to be born.
Like
when a baby alicorn, it's actually an alicorn. It's born. It's really rare that happens.
It's gonna tell one thing. The baby of Cadence, the wings is going to be more bigger than Celestia's wings.
Yeah, when they grow up, yeah, she was born alicorn, and when she was a baby, her wings. Did you not see her wings when she was a baby?
Like
They
when
were gigantic.
Celestia was baby, the wings were really tiny,
Her wings are
and
gigantic.
the baby of Cadence, just the wings were like so damn big. And she's gonna tell that the wings of baby Cadence, they're gonna be more bigger than the wings of Celestia.
I want to know what her cutie mark will be.
Yeah, just like a Crusaders, everybody like asks what cutie mark they're going to be, and so they
But
finish
I
being the same
want to
cutie
know
mark.
what Flori's cutie mark is gonna be. It's like she was born an alicorn, so she has something. She's gonna have something bigger and more powerful than her mom and her aunt. So it's gonna be
My favorite
big.
princess of all is Luna.
I like the last season of My Little Pony. When they get back Star Soul the Bearded. I love that episode.
Oh, I haven't seen the episode, but my favorite princess of them all is Luna.
When they bring them back, my favorite one of the legendary ponies is the Nebula.
No, my favorite princess and Pigger, like I'm talking about the princess. My favorite princess of them all is Luna because she's so like, she's not like a queen or something. She's like other pony, but with hard things, and she's precise and herself.
Yeah. In difference to Celestia, Luna's a little bit more strict than Celestia.
No, te correcto. Celestia es más estricta que
Celestia,
Luna.
yeah. But when it comes to doing her job perfectly, according to the time, perfectly everything, Luna is more coordinated than Celestia.
Like more fast, yes, but more restricted, no, sorry.
No,
The stricted
Celestia
one,
is a demon of
is
strictness.
Luna. It's Celestia, sorry.
As a demon, if you don't do that strict right, forget it, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a little, too perfection. Too much perfection. Like Rarity.
Yeah, the
With Rarity, when it comes to gowns, it has to be precise.
Very precise.
That's the only thing I hate about Rarity. Precision.
Who's your
Perfection.
favorite YouTuber?
Oh, God. That's just tricky.
I love Afmao. My favorite YouTuber is Afmao. Like, I can explode only living with Afmao. Like, I just see like only a message of hey, hello, it's Afmao. She's gonna explode because I love Afmao so much. Then when she saw it, Minecraft Dear Darius won. I was there to see the first episode. I see all her series. I am a freaking damn fan. I know all the stories. I know everything. I even know her story of her life. How they made Jason and her, how they met. I know everything.
Just like I exactly know everything about Inuyasha.
Yeah, but my favorite YouTuber in the whole like world is Asmo. Like I'm a freaking joy. Like Asmo Pro, I'm here.
Okay, let me ask you something. Let's see. I'm gonna die.
You
I
know
want to ask you
what's my favorite thing about Asmo?
What?
The freaking cute little plushy wolf that Aaron gave her in San Valentin. That plush named Wolf.
Asma is like me seeing Inuyasha except in a girl version with purple hair.
No, but she doesn't have purple hair. She has black hair.
Oh, her hair is black. My bad.
Oh my god, I love. I love Wolf. The
In that
plush is
case,
named
you're
Wolf.
seeing Inuyasha, but in human version with his ears. And
He
you get
has
it.
wolf ears. If
And
you
yes, it
not
has
know
dog ears.
this, Aaron and Afon have wolf ears. Sorry.
Yeah, I know, but it's like watching Inuyasha, like the cute little ears.
They're cute
It looks
too. You
fluffy.
tell me that she's not cute.
Who's not gonna want to rub that? They just look so fluffy.
Like
Fluffy. Everyone wants to rub that.
My favorite thing about the whole series is the little plushy wolf. I love it so much because every single time that Apma has like a problem, the wolf just stuck to her, and the wolf is so freaking funny. I love the wolf so much.
Let's see. Who's your favorite actress or actress?
Of the series?
No, regularly. I don't care who it is.
Sorry, but it has to be Aphmau because Aphmau acts a lot. Like she in the series, she like records a lot and acts like
Okay,
the
let's see.
boys and everything. That's like I don't know.
Who's your favorite singer?
Favorite singer, Katy Perry.
My favorite singer is Tegan Marie and Justin Bieber.
But my favorite, like I'm electronica, I'm whole electronica. I'm not like reggaeton, nothing. I'm not like that. I'm not like in that section. I'm like electronic.
I absolutely adore Keep It Lit. Oh, I love that one.
No, pero en mi sesión es electrónica. Sorry, odio reggaeton.
The music, it looks like country. If you look at the background, the backgrounds and the plays, it looks like country.
Yeah.
I would sing it for you, but like my throat's a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's not really good, so I can't look.
Like I love normal songs like Katy Perry, Nicki Minaj, and that stuff. But
everything that does not have to do with rap.
Yeah.
Yo escucho todo lo que no tenga que ver con ni rap ni... Bueno, déjame empezar con todo lo que no me gusta escuchar. Ni Luis Fonsi, ni Bad Bunny, todo lo que tenga que ver con rap, todo lo que tenga que ver así con rap y con... No. Everything's like rap and... Rap y reggaeton, no. I hate it. My cousins like it, but I actually don't.
Reggaeton y trap para antes porque todas hagan malo, pero de demás todo para mí joy y especialmente la electrónica.
No, hay muchos cantantes que yo en realidad odio. Te voy a dar de los dos de los que más odio. Luis Fonsi y Daddy Yankee.
Okay. Nimzay, pues lo dejamos
Daddy
aquí.
Yankee y Bad Bunny son los tres que más odio.
Nimzay, pues la dejamos aquí.
Ok, bye.
Bye.